Hello everyone. So a couple of people have asked about this Milestone project that you're having to do, where you're having to get two what they call competing, or journal articles with two different points of view. Okay, so what I've done, and you can get to this from your home page, is to go to SNOO's Shapiro Library. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to Shapiro Library. Now, if you type in competing views or something like that, you're going to have to get you kind of focused on the way you use the kind of Boolean search engine. But notice up here too, and that a Boolean search engine is just when you type in this, you can chat 24/7 with a librarian. There's research guides here. What I want to do is take a few minutes, perhaps 5 minutes, and explore. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and look research guides. Okay, and I'm going to go by subject. And they've got this. We go down here. Let's go down here and see what we got. Whether we've got social science or sociology. Okay, so. Justice studies, that might be a place to look. Or you could probably just write, type in sociology. Sociology. Okay, let's take a look and see what the research guide might look for. Welcome to the Sociology Guide. Okay, your one-stop library resource for scholarly and non-scholarly books. So. Okay, let's back up for a minute. The first thing you're going to do, to get started for looking for two articles, is to click on Shapiro Library from the SNHU website. Okay, and that is up here. Okay, and then you're going to go down, and when it says Research Guides, you're going to click there, and then all you have to do is type in. Let's try this again. We go back to Research Guides, loading, and I'm going to type in the word sociology. And I click go, and there you go. I mean, home. Okay. It says, okay, so, welcome to the Sociology Guide. Let me move my little head up here for a moment. And so that we can look your one-stop library resource for scholarly and use the blue buttons on the left to navigate through the guide and find what you need. So okay, I'm going to go. Let's just do this. Let's try finding articles. Since you're required to find a journal. A lot of you are watching Boys in the Hood. And a lot of you have identified causes of urban crime. These guys, the characters wind up being criminals. Okay, so I click search there, and let's see what I come up with. Loading the research. It's taking a minute. My computer's very slow. I'm not working on my direct. Okay. Crime prediction through urban metrics and statistical leaning. Okay. Classifying urban areas. So, okay, so you got a lot of stuff here. Okay. You get large data set articles. Okay. Here's dissonance theory is a definite. Okay. This dissonance theory is a variant of functionalist theory. Okay, and so you can look here. Subjects: violent crime. Subject: urban crime, poverty, ethnic groups, attitudes, metropolitan areas. And so what you get down here is you get a link to the full text. You click full text because you want the full journal article, and it's going to take you there. And after a minute, you're going to get access to JSTOR, which is one of the finest repositories of academic journal articles that you have. It's taking a minute, and I don't want to see you just going ahead and copying what I've done here and using that. I mean, I just want to, I want you to, look down here. Okay, look down here. Do immigrants a network of predicting crime trips in a large Canadian UK? Root causes of urban violence. Crime. Okay. So we're seeing a lot of the same. We're seeing a lot of the same articles. But what you can do, economic crimes. Okay. You've got all kinds of articles, right? That have to do with, that have to do with, let's see here, I'm going to go back to me talking. So you've got all kinds of articles that you can use access to just a wealth of information. You're going to need to play around with this. I know we're getting late in the week. Maybe some of you have already submitted this. But it took me, I'm learning kind of along with you. So I attended a webinar that for the library that really helped me to figure out how to help you. So as you go through this, please keep in mind, don't just talk about. I don't want to hear about broken homes or fatherless homes or anything. That in and of itself is not a predictor of violence or social. It's a corollary or an effect of, like the kind of social disorganization, functionalists call it, or lack of access to resources, a Marxist would call it, that is emblematic of the world that John Singleton created in Boys in the Hood. Okay, but you can apply this, regardless of whatever your movie is. Be thinking clearly about this, and please not in psychological terms. This isn't a psychology piece for those of you, some of you who are doing Fight Club or even Clockwork Orange. Look at the social causes. Now, psychological states can be an effect, but this is not just a wing of psychology. Let's stick with large social patterns, and we're going to be fine. Take care, and please email me any questions you might have.